Hey there, today I have a Trendsend box to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is another one of those online styling services, very similar to Stitch Fix, although you have no styling fee, and the clothing comes from the Evereve store, which is a boutique. They have it all over the country, but they don't have one in where I live, which is Hawaii. So it is nice that they have this service, Trendsend, where they actually send you clothing. And it is all personally selected by a stylist. So I don't do the monthly subscription. I just request one, whenever I want one. And it usually takes maybe about a week for me to get it. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So this actually is a pretty big box. And usually Trendsend does send a big box because they send you 3 complete outfits. Okay, so let's see. Wow. Okay, so here's everything in my box. Here's bundle number 1, bundle 2, and bundle 3. And they do send you a note. And I noticed with Trendsend, I pretty much get a different stylist every time. Okay, and my stylist this time is Rebecca. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. So outfit number 1. The first, oh geez. Yeah. This is kind of funny. So she's sending me, looks like a bralette. Yeah, this is a 3 people Adealia bralette, and it is in the size extra small. Yeah, probably not going to fit me. We'll see. But this is something my younger daughter would really like, and this is actually $38 for this. And next item. Okay, it's a chambray shirt, and it's very nice. It's by ALLISON Joy, and this one's on sale. So it's $29.99, size small. So yeah, not bad. It's just a basic chambray shirt. I do actually have one already that I got from Target, universal thread, that I like. But yeah, I'll give this a try. And it's a little different because it has this frayed edge, and it's on sale, which is nice. And for this box, I do have a 20% off discount, and thank you very much. Some of you have signed up using my referral link, so when somebody signs up using your referral link, you get 20% off. So I do have 20% off this box. Okay, and next, these look like army green pants by Sanctuary, and they're in the size 28, which is my size. And these are not on sale. They're $99. And yeah, they're actually very nice. I do have a pair of pants very similar to this that I got from Vigos, that brand, that I got from the rack. And those I think I got for like 30 bucks. But anyway, that's the first outfit. We'll see how it looks. And then outfit number 2. Okay, so this is, what is this? It's a strappy top. This actually looks pretty big. It's by ALLISON Joy, and it's a Martina Floral Cami, size small, for $48. Wow, this looks really big for a small, actually. So there you go. And then next, oh, okay, it's just a basic tank top. And this is by BRAEVE. Oh, and it's on sale for $8.99. Huh, size small. Regular $38, and it's marked all the way down to $8.99. It's the Aloha Palm Tank. So yeah, this is cute. I think it's something you probably have to wear like a bralette or something underneath because it has these big armholes. But yeah, I'll try it on. And lastly, okay. Oh, these are Articles of Society jeans, and they look like crop jeans. Yeah, it's the Carly Crop Skinny. And how much are these? These are $68 in a size 28. So I guess I've never tried I don't think I have, Articles of Society jeans. But yeah, price-wise, they're a little bit better than some of the other jeans that I've gotten from, well, a lot better. Like they usually send me these very expensive jeans that are like $180 or something. But yeah, I'll definitely try these. They look cute. And they have a nice faded wash, and they have this kind of hem. Okay, and the last outfit. What is this? Ooh, it's a dress. And it's by ALLISON Joy, and it's the Reagan side Rouched dress. And this is only $24.99, so this must be on sale. We'll see how this looks in a size medium. And it's the color dark olive. So, I do like dresses. I don't know if I like Rouched dresses, but we'll try it. Okay, and the last item is, looks like another dress. It is by ALLISON Joy. See how it's actually a jumpsuit. Oh, wow, that's interesting. And it is the floral crop jumpsuit, size medium, and it's $78. But this is actually, I don't have anything like this, honestly. I do not own a jumpsuit, so it'll be interesting to try this on. It looks huge though, but we'll see. I mean, this might be nice for like a dressy occasion, maybe. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Trendsend box this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first outfit. And I have the chambray top paired with the army green pants. And these pants by Sanctuary are actually very nice. And they fit well, I would say. But I already have pants very similar to this, so I don't think you need two pairs of army green pants. And also I do have a chambray top, but I do like this top, it's nice. And I didn't try on the bralette, it's way too small, it's extra small. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's kind of a cute look. Okay, so here is outfit number 2, and it's the Articles of Society jeans, and it had, well, there were 2 top options, so this is the first top option, and it's pretty, it's a nice top, and it is something you'd have to wear either a strapless bra, or I just put a bralette underneath from Costco. So, yeah, I don't know, this is kind of like not my thing. I usually don't like to wear anything that I can't wear a regular bra with, and this definitely. But it is a kind of a cute look with the bralette underneath. So let me know what you think. And these jeans actually aren't bad. They fit pretty well. But yeah, and it has kind of an interesting hem. But yeah, I don't know. I really don't need another pair of jeans. So it's probably a pass. I'll try on the other top. Okay, here is the second top, and it's just like a tank top, floral. I did put a gray bralette under it, but actually I didn't need to. And it's too small for me. I had a hard time putting this on, actually. The neck opening is like super small. It is kind of cute though, it has these kind of side slits. But yeah, I don't know. I think this is something that may be better for one of my daughters. But okay, so that's the second outfit, like part 2. Okay, so here is the first dress for the third bundle. And yeah, I'm not sure about this one. One, the length is probably not a good length for me. And I don't like anything that's too fitted like this. I think it just kind of accentuates the belly, and yeah. But I think it's a nice dress. It's really comfortable. It's kind of fun. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's probably a no for me though. But the price is right. It was $29. Okay, here is the last outfit, and it's a jumper, and it has pockets. It's actually very cute. It's fully lined. It has spaghetti straps, see? But I did put that black bralette underneath, but you could just wear it with like a strapless bra. And these straps are adjustable, so that's nice. But yeah, I don't have anything like this. I think this is definitely a more dressy outfit. But yeah, I kind of like it. I don't know. I mean, the length hits me right about the above ankle. So, I don't know, it doesn't look bad, I think. Let me know. Okay, so that was everything I got this month from Trendsend, and overall I thought, I mean, it was okay. Trendsend's not, to be honest, really my favorite of the subscription services, but I do like it because it's basically a free service. I mean, there's no styling fee, so you can basically try on clothes risk-free. So, I mean, I like that about the service, but I think I kind of feel obligated to buy something, to be honest. I don't know how other people feel when they try this service. And she did send me some more affordable options, but let's see. So, of the items that I tried on today, my favorite was actually, I did kind of like, surprisingly, this jumpsuit. And I don't own any jumpsuits, and I even showed it to my husband, and he said it was pretty nice. It looks like it would definitely be more of a dressy occasion outfit, but it is, I thought, very pretty. It's lined. It does look actually very classy, so I'm definitely going to think about this. So this one retailed for $78, but since I have a 20% off discount, I could get it for $62.40, which isn't cheap, but you know, I think that is reasonable for a nice jumpsuit like this. And this top was definitely too small for me, but it totally looks like something my younger daughter would wear, and it only cost $7.19. This was actually kind of pretty, but just not something I would typically wear. I have jeans very similar to this, and I did actually really like these Sanctuary chinos, but even with the discount, they'd be $79, and I don't really need it, I think. So I might try these on again and compare them to the other pants that I have that are similar, but I think these are probably going to go back also. And yeah, this was actually a really good deal. For $29.99, less the discount, it would be only $19.99. But yeah, I just don't think it's anything I would wear. Lastly, this chambray top was actually really cute, and with the discount, it would be $23.99. So I'm thinking about this one too. This might be something I could use. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought of the clothes. Which items did you like? Let me know. Yeah, so that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of clothing subscription box unboxings, some shopping hauls, and those kind of videos. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.